Hello everybody, welcome to the office of Fulham Beach Boat Club. Here's Meg.
Hey!
Matthew.
So,
Myself. And we're very excited to be launching our interactive tideway navigation course thing aid on our website to help the rowing community, try and get everyone a bit safer on the river. So just head to our website, click on the courses section, and then you'll find the interactive tideway tab. You can log in as a guest, and then you'll find our Learn to Row course on there, and then all of the content we deliver for people taking part in our courses. Lots of stuff around navigation, staying safe on the water, and also lots of interactive bits and pieces. So you can actually test your knowledge, so you're not just reading. So for instance, I can go here, have a look at the interactive bits and pieces, and then test where I should be on the river. Ebb tide, here's my boat, I've got a babble there going forward. I reckon I should be starboard side of the fairway. Yes. Correct. Whew. Lots of other bits and pieces, so do have a look, let us know what you think.
stay safe.
Stay safe, you'll see this guy.
Stay safe.
Maybe Meg.